Alright, we got the front end off. Comes off in one big clip, which is actually really cool. Dan did a lot of the work on my Ranger, and he did this on his truck. So then he incorporated that on my Ranger, and that was pretty legit because it makes pulling the front end apart. Literally, take everything out. I pulled the radiator out, and then it's all open. It's easy. You don't take little pieces by pieces. You don't have a big old metal structure here that you can't get around. So that was a good idea. We're gonna take the timing cover off. Maybe. Alright, I need a big Toyota mechanic guy to tell me if this is bad. I feel like that's pretty loose for what it should be. It's really hard to say. I don't really know. I feel like it's loose. I don't think that's good. Should have probably more tension. So what I'm trying to do here, I want to pull that valve cover off. I just want to check the under the valve cover, see how it looks. I'm not sure about this belt. This belt might need to be replaced. You guys tell me in the comments whether that belt needs to be replaced or not. Alright, so I'm doing a leak down test of all the cylinders on the passenger side, and we are doing good. Okay, I was able to get it out with non-snap ring pliers, surprisingly. It looks like the race failed right here. It's all broken. Right in this area, it's got cracks all along here. Actually, it's cracked in a lot of spots. Wow, this thing is pretty smoked. The like plastic retainer, this is like a plastic retainer that holds the cage, is all the rollers are falling out technically. Damn, that's crazy. I'm probably gonna pull the other one because the other one's a little grindy when I spin it. And I'm almost positive I have more of these bearings that came with the truck. I'm gonna double check that, but for now I'm just gonna clean this one up. Here's that, or bearing race, I guess you call it. Hard to say whether it was already broken or was breaking when I pressed it out. Alright, so this is a part cleaner, obviously. I'm gonna fill it up. This is what I'll be washing all my parts through. I got the parts cleaner from Tractor Supply and it's running through a filter. Let's get this filled up.
See my house. it's a blast. They wanna know my name. Why you wanna know my name? They're asking me again. Why y'all asking for a friend? I'm not your second friend. What's your second name? It's a blast. It's a blast.
So it is Sunday. We got a lot done. Got the motor somewhat put back together. Got to really figure out how I'm going to paint this cage. Still back and forth on pulling the motor. I was going to pull it so I can address some things, but I just don't know if I'm going to do that. Seems like a bigger hassle than it's worth. I did a compression check on this side. This whole side is a 5% leak, so it's pretty good. Everything checked out as far as I don't know. The leak down test said 5%, so I'd say it's pretty good. Timing belt looks pretty good. On the back end, we got a lot of work done back here. Got all this primered. Got the links primered. Upper 3-link primered. Got the front, some of the front end all primered. Got the housing primered. Really struggling on the lower control arms to get the uniball that attaches to the spindle. I'm assuming water just collected there for the last 3 years, and I've sat there for like 40 minutes, probably not that long, but I sat there for a while heating it up, and then hammering it, and then putting in the press, trying to press it, like tried everything, soaking it in 3 different types of penetrating oil. Yeah, that sucks. So that's probably going to be one of the last things to paint because of how hard it was to get the lower uniball out. Got all the other uniballs out just fine, no problem. Need to start pulling this front grill apart, which I'll probably do in the next video. This is gonna end it for this video. This video might be a little short, but trying to do videos every Sunday is turning out to be kind of a lot, just because between trying to do this truck, trying to work on the Rangers, trying to do my regular life stuff, it all just kind of adds up very fast, and next thing I know, it's Sunday. So the next video, like I said, we'll be painting the whole back half, all the suspension parts, pulling the grill apart so we can get the main core support all primered and painted. Going to maybe replace the radiator. It's very rusted. That's not ideal. Also, another thing I'm getting close to, since this stuff's getting painted, I'm almost ready to start getting measurements for all new bolts. All the bolts are grade 8 and they are fine thread, which is definitely ideal, but everything is not shanked properly, and that's not okay. That's not what I like. So we'll go through all that. We still need to clean all of these parts. So that's not going to be fun, but that has to be done. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this series. If you guys want more updates, go to my Instagram. I'm updating things more regularly over there. And until then, thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.